It's been cold and damp lately, so be careful with chillers, as moisture can easily cause various malfunctions. Almost all modern chillers have computer control modules. Once the module interface becomes damp and oxidized, poor contact will occur, ultimately leading to communication failure in the electrical system. Some chillers are exposed outdoors, making them vulnerable to heavy rain or even flooding. Therefore, when installing a chiller, try to install it inside a workshop. If production constraints force it to be outdoors, be sure to install rainproofing. Furthermore, the internal piping of the chiller is complex, encompassing both refrigerant and water circulation. Regularly inspect external equipment and connections for leaks and damage, which can help prevent cooling water leaks from negatively impacting the equipment.